Came down here this morning to try and film the weekly, see if we can hear it any better, because we can't hear it very well from the window. So I just heard something that sounded like a horn. Alright, maybe that was the horn. Are we going to get anything else? See, the Friday tests are always better than the Monday tests. I think that's it. So, good. Again. The only better thing than just a siren video is the visuals as well. With a siren video, having the noise and the visual as well, that's just epic. I do think that's it this time, so I'm going to stop filming because I'm nearing the complex now. So that was a good catch though. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Ecstatic about that actually. KG plant, refinery, more refinery. I'm going to stop filming now because I get awkward filming in here.